Hello all, I am Molly Bhatt from SD Jain International College. My class is SYBCom SEM 3 Division A. My subject is Statistics for Business 3 and my topic is Methods for Collecting Demographic Statistics. What is demographic statistics or what is vital statistics? Both means the same. Vital statistics means it keeps a records of marriages, birth rate, death rate. So by that, health and growth of the community can be studied. There are namely four methods of collecting demographic statistics. They are first registration method, second census method, third analytical method, fourth sample inspection method, and fifth sample registration method. First, registration method. The name itself says registration, means the whole country people have to register their name in the company by that so that they can make out birth rate, death rate of the company. This work is done by municipal corporation of the country. In registration process, duty of all individual is sophisticated in the society. That is, there is a duty of all citizens to register their name, so by that birth rate and death rate and causes of birth rate and death rate can be known. The state government collect this information every month. This data provides useful information about birth rate, death rate, and by this data it can also be known the rate of population growth per country. Second, census method. The census in India is collected after interval of 10 years. Each and now the census cannot be calculated. In census method also, complete enumeration of individuals inhabiting in a specified area is done. In census method, information regarding age, sex, marriage, birth rate, death rate all can be known. But the main limitation of census method is it is conducted at the interval of 10 years and fails to give the proper information. Third, analytical method. In analytical method, as the census has limitation, analytical method fulfill its limitations by taking it every per month. The data collected in analytical method is inter-census. Like birth rate, death rate, etc. can be obtained from that. For example, the birth rate and death rate, the population can be estimated for inter-census. By this inter-census method, the death rate, causes of death rate, the area, the place for death rate, and birth rate, the causes of birth rate can be easily and timely known. So analytical method is more in work than census method. Fourth, sample inspection method. In sample inspection method, sample, the word itself means some or little amount. So sample inspection method is done in areas where people are in small quantity or at particular area, or specially it is conducted in villages. Sample of some people are taken and their birth rate, death rate, marriage records all are taken with municipal corporation or panchayats of the family. Last, sample registration method. In sample registration method, some vital statistics like birth rate, death rate are organized in societies. For that sample registration method, small amount of people register their name with the municipal corporation or head of the village, and by that the death cause or birth cause can be easily known and can be known timely under sample registration method. As compared to registration method, sample registration method is more useful as it is it is done in smaller areas and result can be done easily. Thank you.